Okay, well this one is an acrylic, so it doesn't necessarily have to be in here in this watercolor one. The sky. Okay, is not thin. It's not dry paint on canvas. It's a good mushy sky of many colors. Compliments. So light. And this is cloud work too here. And then you see these are, here we go. This one here is not necessarily, this acrylic is not actually a foggy day. This one is a treasured view that I have in the early morning on a gray day. Just as the sun comes, it lights these like little jewels out there. And at night, this looks like a fairyland to me too. This is the Edison plant. Anyway, I guess that is a good place to stop. I'm stringing these together, but I think this is actually the end one. I haven't done the first few videos to talk about imaginary skies versus actually looking. And again, this was done on location, as were all of the other little ones I just put in this section. And very, very carefully looked at. Thank you for watching. And